Capital of China? B. Beijing. Largest city in China? B. Shanghai. Major river in China? C. Yangtze River. Primary language? B. Mandarin. China borders which sea? B. Yellow Sea. Main export product? D. Electronics. Major holiday? B. Chinese New Year. Currency of China? Yuan.